Yo, gunman. Check the camera there for me. What you mean to the youth gone? Without my orders? Brother, I want a meeting with everybody now.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Bossy, deactivate the surveillance camera then.
I'm going to deactivate it now. Come round.
Alright.
Ready for the reward.
Bossy, you're tuning enough to talk to her. Because to me, nothing no make sense and nothing no add up. I'm not even want to think say she involved in it.
Based on what everybody said, Whisper, she and this youth not deal none at all. So, you tell me, say, is a plan all along?
So one day after we go for her, she back at work, normal like nothing at all never happened. So how that look to you?
I don't understand this. What you mean she back at work? She not look shaken, she not look traumatized, nothing at all?
To me, it just look like a normal day. You'd have to see her for yourself.
The last time something like this happened, she never recovered so fast. But you know, come to think of it, Whisper. You know, so when I talk to the girl them say she make all like this, the kidnapping thing, because she carry them go. Yo, I could deal with this one step at a time, one thing at a time. But complete tonight ups, and then we'll take she on.
Ready when you're ready, you know.
We'll go pick up Tony and we'll meet you over there.
Yeah, babe. Me did tell us I'm going to go on the road tonight, right? Alright, and when I come home, I'm going to stay over Bubbles. Alright, that's how I can. Alright, babe, bye.